Very good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the transportation problem by WAM. So it is called as oval approximation method. Okay. So this is also very important. This is the third method we are going to solve transportation problem. Okay. So before solving the oval approximation method problem, let me understand. So what is the meaning of VAM? Okay, so here this problem can be solved by three steps. So has, and it is like a iteration method procedure. Okay, step number one. So it is a to calculate the penalty values for each and row and column. The penalty will be equal to the difference between the two smallest shipping cost in a row or column. So first take two least value, and difference of that you have to assign the particular row. Okay, that is the first step. Second step is to identify the row or column with a largest penalty value and find the first basic variable which has two smallest shipping cost in that row or maybe column. Then assign the highest possible value to the particular variable and cross out the row or column so which is exhausted. So second step is just to after once deleting after completing the first step, again you have to take the largest two values and that largest value assign the highest possible value into the particular column. Okay, and step number 3. Finally, you compute the new penalties and repeat the same procedure until all the requirement are satisfied. So again do the same procedure for about two till we get the requirement for the given satisfied the problem. So if you understand these three steps, you will solve the oval approximation method. So for theory it is not possible to understand. If you solve one problem means you will understand. Now we'll move on to the example. Okay, so the question is given like this. This is very important. Instead of asking northwest corner rule and least cost method, this may question asked in the examination. Okay, so question is find the initial basic feasible solution, IBFS, initial basic feasible solution of the following transportation problem by using penalty method. Okay, so the given question here, demand value and supply value, here source and destination. Okay, so demand value they here they given 678 1580 78, and here the last also demand value is 1555, supply is 1015, and source is 678 and 1580 78. Demand is that is destination. This is O means origin, D means destination. Remember that origin is destination means 615 780 878. Okay, so to calculate oval approximation method, so northwest corner method procedure is different and least cost method procedure is different, and oval approximation method is different. Among all these three methods are used to reduce the cost only. Okay, so first step is, so here step 1, calculate the penalties in each row and each column. So take the same box as it is, right? So here for the first, here see just demand value right as it is. So for the first row take two largest values. Okay, two smallest value. So in the first row there are smallest value is 6 and 7 are the smallest value. Here row penalty right here, and difference of that you write 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Similarly come for the second row, take the two smallest number. So your smallest number is 59 78. Okay, the difference between 78 minus 15 is equal to 63. So you got answer is 1 and 63. Again same way you calculate, you compute or you determine the vertical direction. So again here column penalty, row penalties or column penalty. In column penalty, I guess here only two values are there. Difference of that you write 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, and 80 minus 7 is equal to 73, and 78 minus 8 is equal to 70. So after this you go for the largest value. Second step is identify the largest penalty and choose the least cost cell to the corresponding this penalty. Okay, so here same you write again. So here among the row penalty and column penalty, highest value is 73. So take that respect to column, that is highest value column, maybe that may be row. So here the highest value is 73, particular column that is belongs to demand 5. So that 5 you have to highlight that one. Okay, next after calculating the highest values, 5 is the demand value. So this 5 is, if this 5 you assign here. Okay, so look at here. So 5 and 10 is there. Okay now, so among these two, 5 is the least value. Okay, and also supply also large is there. Just to go and assign that value to here. So here 7. So 5 is assigned to 7. So you delete after one assigning, you delete that entire row. So okay now, so remaining is 6 15 8 78, that you have to write here. So that delete, the into mark indicate that is a deleted one. Okay, so remaining is only 6 15, that to assign here you will get only okay now that you have deleted, next remaining box is only 6, 15 and 878. Again do the same procedure, recalculate the penalties. So again take the two smallest difference, that is 8 minus, only two values are there, so take as it is. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, 78 minus 15 is equal to, here row penalty is 63. Similarly calculate the column wise, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9, 78 minus 8 is 70, okay na. Again among these highest value is here 70, so again check for the 70s also. 5 is there in the next step, okay, highest 5. So among these 5 is demand value is 5 and supply also 5, so this 5 is assigned to number 8, that is the first column, okay. So you are assigning here 5, so after assigning you delete that also, okay now. 5 minus 5 becomes 0, so delete. So only left out is only 6 and 15, that is the last column. So again here 6 value, again difference between here again same, it is previous one. 6 is means, here you take here 6 minus highest value is 8 minus 6, here 8 minus 6 is equal to 6. So here the largest difference between is only here, first one is 8 minus 6 2, and 15 minus 70, here what is 15 minus 78 is 63, and 15 minus 6 9. So among these the highest value is mm, 63. So for 63 small demand and supply is equal to 15 15. So again you assign that 15 to here, and remaining you delete that entire row, okay now. So once all the demand value and supply value be deleted, then you need to calculate the basic feasible solution. Basic feasible solution nothing but 0 into 6, 5 into 7, 5 into 8, 15 into 50. That is about the basic feasible solution, okay now. Right. Basic feasible solutions are here, what if 6 into 0 and plus 7 into 5 plus 8 into 5 plus 15 into 15, that is the total transportation cost. Basic feasible solutions are what you assign, no, that is the basic feasible solution. So here x11, x12, x13 and x21 is the basic feasible solution. Here I wrote here, okay, right here. Now basic initial basic feasible solution of the transportation problem is where you assign that you write. Suppose it is a consider a matrix, this is 11, 12, 13, 21, 22, 23. So 11 is 0, 12 is 5 and 23 is 5, again 21 is 15, okay. So your right, and transportation cost is like that, you multiply 6 into 0, you will get 300. So this is about the procedure for solving the oval approximation method. I hope you understand this, okay now. So this is very simple problem, just go on row penalty, column penalty, assign that, that's it, okay. I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.